class 4, welcome back to this maths class. As you know that we have already started with chapter number 4, Roman numerals. And if you remember in the previous video, I have explained you about what is Roman numbers and what are the different symbols which are used in Roman numbers for writing the numbers. Then we have also discussed about certain rules while writing Roman numbers, right? So today we are going to discuss about the exercise. Now you see in page number 27 we will discuss about exercise number 4, A and B. The first question is convert into Roman numbers. These are Indo-Arabic number. These are given in Indo-Arabic number or Indo-Arabic number, meaning is same. So the numbers which we write in India, like the way we write. So now we are going to convert this into Roman numbers. Now it is 400 plus 15. Okay, 415. Now 415, how we will write 400 if you remember? What is the value of 500? Symbol of 500, D. D is the value of 500. Now if we have to write 400, so what we will do? We will subtract C. So in the rules we have learned that if we write a smaller symbol, okay, to the left side of the greater symbol, greater value, then it is subtraction. Okay, that comes under subtraction. So C is the symbol for 100. Okay, so now this has become 500 minus 100. It has become 400. Now we will write 15. How to write 15? For 10 we will write X, and for 5 we will write B. So this is the value of, or this is the Roman number. Okay, 415 is written in this way in Roman numbers. Now we move to the next one. Now you see here, this is 1110. How do we write 1000? If you remember the symbol for 1000, it is M. So for 1000 we will write 1 times M. For 100 we will write C. Okay, and for 10, what is the symbol? It is this. So this is 1110. Then we move to the next one. 3200. Now in the rules we have learned that any symbol can be repeated either twice or thrice. So it is 300. Now if we have to make it 300, so we can easily repeat M 3 times. So we will write for 300, we will write 3 times M. Okay, done. After that 200, how to write 200? 2 times C. C can be repeated. Okay, so this is 100 and one more 100. So triple M, double C. This is 3200. Now we move to the next question, number 4. See, I am not going to do all the questions. Like I will be showing you only few so that you understand how it is done. Then 920. Now if you remember how we write, this is 1000. Okay, and if we have to write 900, for that how shall we write? Now for writing 800, how can we write 800? We can write 800. I am showing you 800. Okay, this is not the answer. 800 we write like this. D is 500. Okay, then C, C, C. This is what? This is 800. Okay, because C can be repeated 3 times. Now if we have to write 900, shall I write like this? This is wrong. We will not write like this. Now again we will follow the subtraction rule. Now the subtraction rule says 1000. We will subtract 100 from 1000. So this is 1000 and we will subtract 100. If we subtract 100, then we have to write C before M. Okay, now this is, what is this? This is 900. Now we have to write 20. How to write 20? For this is 10 and again one more 10. So this is CMXX. This is 920 is written in this way for Roman numerals. Okay. So what you will do, you will complete all this first question, convert into Roman numbers from 1 to 20. You will write in your maths CW copy. Okay. So now next question is convert into Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now this one is just the opposite. Okay. Let us see how it is done.
3.
Okay. So question number 2 is convert Hindu-Arabic numbers. The Roman numbers are given and you have to convert them into Hindu-Arabic numbers. You see here the first question LXVI. Now L, what is the value of L? It is 50. Okay, 50. Now whichever number we write towards the right side, then we add them, no? So we will write 50 plus, I am just showing you, you will not do this way. You can write direct answer also. But I am showing you one example how it is done. Okay. So 50 plus 10. Then after that is 6. Or you can break it 5 plus 1. Okay. Now you see 50 plus 10 is how much? 60. 60. Okay. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So equals to 66. So final answer is LXVI means 66. You don't have to show this addition, but then you have to understand in this way. And when you are doing, you have to do this way. But you can write direct answer. Like for this, I will be writing direct answer. If for example, 1000 plus 1000, how much? 2000 plus 100, 2100 plus 100, 2200. So I will just write like this answer 2200. This is the answer. The next one 1000, M means 1000, C means 100, X means 10 and I. This together means 2. Okay. So 1000, then 100 and this is 12. So 1112 done. The Roman numbers, this is the in Hindu-Arabic number is this one. For this symbol, Hindu-Arabic number is this. Now let's do question number 4. MMB. MMB. M means 1000. Again 1000, that means 2000. And D, what is the value of D? 500. So we'll write 2500. Now the next one, number 5. XL. Now you see, here it is LX. So after the when we write any smaller value towards the right side, then we add. And when we write smaller value to before or to the right side, then we subtract. So here what is happening? This is 50 and this is 10. So we are subtracting. 50 minus 10 is how much? 40. And VII. V means 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. So answer is 47. Okay. So like that you will do exercise number A and B in your copy. And if you are unable to do any of the question, leave it. Just leave it blank, and I will give you the answer. I will explain you I'll try to answer your question. Okay. So in this video, only this much. In the next video, we will be doing the rest of the question. Till then, keep learning and take care.